Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about WhatsApp rolls out live photos, AI themes, and new features. Instagram tests Reels first layout in India. Instagram is experimenting with a Reels first design for its mobile app in India, following a similar rollout on iPads. The new interface opens the app directly to the Reels feed, while stories remain accessible at the top and DMs move to the navigation bar for easier access. A new Following tab allows users to customize their feed with all friends and latest sections. The update also simplifies navigation, enabling swipes between Reels, Stories, Feed, and Messages, prioritizing the platform's most used features for a more engaging user experience. Microsoft 365 introduces AI agent mode for Excel and Word. Microsoft has launched new AI tools for its 365 suite, including agent mode in Excel and Word and an Office agent in Copilot Chat. The update, dubbed Vibe Working, lets users describe tasks in plain language while AI handles complex steps. In Excel, agent mode builds tables, formulas, and visualizations, testing and iterating results automatically. In Word, it enables conversational document creation, summarizing data, drafting reports, and formatting text. The tools aim to simplify workflows, reduce repetitive work, and make productivity apps more interactive and intuitive. Facebook enhances creator audience engagement with challenges and custom badges. Facebook is rolling out new features to boost interactions between creators and followers, including fan challenges, redesigned badges, and community-focused tools. Challenges allow creators to post prompts that encourage user-generated content, showcased with hashtags and leaderboards, generating millions of interactions. Customizable top fan badges let users display their affiliation on profiles, with artists like Cardi B and Ed Sheeran offering unique designs. These updates aim to make engagement more interactive, increase visibility for active followers, and strengthen community connections, aligning Facebook with trends on YouTube and TikTok. Apple tests internal AI chatbot Veritas to upgrade. Siri Apple is using an internal AI chatbot Veritas to test and refine new features for Siri before public rollout. The tool, similar to ChatGPT and Gemini, allows employees to hold conversations, revisit past exchanges, and provide structured feedback. Veritas helps experiment with personal data search and in-app actions like photo editing. Apple aims to integrate AI seamlessly into daily tasks rather than offer a standalone chatbot. Upgraded Siri, combining in-house AI with external systems, is expected for launch next spring. Google Pixel Watch to explore hypertension screening. Feature Google is expanding the Pixel Watch's health capabilities through the Fitbit hypertension study, aiming to explore how wearables can screen for high blood pressure. Participants who consent will have data passively collected via their Pixel Watch, with a smaller group using traditional blood pressure monitors for comparison, earning $50 for participation. The feature will detect potential signs of hypertension over time rather than provide exact readings, similar to Apple Watch's approach. Initially, it may be limited to the latest Pixel Watch models before broader rollout. OpenAI introduces parental controls for ChatGPT. OpenAI has launched new parental controls for ChatGPT, allowing parents to link accounts with their teens for enhanced oversight. The update follows a tragic incident reportedly linked to chatbot advice, aiming to make AI usage safer for minors. Parents can block explicit content, sexual role play, self harm topics, and disable voice or image features. The system flags distress signals and alerts parents if needed. Teens' chat memory and data usage can be restricted, and parents are notified if Today's AI tool is AutoGPT, effortless website creation and management. AutoGPT is an AI-powered tool designed to simplify website creation and management. It allows users to build stunning professional websites effortlessly using a wide range of customizable templates, eliminating the need for extensive coding knowledge. Beyond design, AutoGPT helps monitor and optimize website performance, ensuring fast load times. Our lead story is about WhatsApp rolls out live photos, AI themes, and new features. WhatsApp has updated its app with features enhancing creativity, personalization, and usability. iOS users can now share live photos while Android supports motion photos, capturing moments with sound and movement. Meta AI introduces custom chat themes and AI generated backgrounds for video calls and chats. The update also includes fresh sticker packs, simplified group search, and an in app document scanner for Android. While some AI powered features are still rolling out and may not. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.